Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've been dreaming about starting your own business from home,
something flexible, fun, and profitable, then this video is just for you.
Today, I'll share the top 10 best and easy businesses for women in 2026.
That you can start with little or no investment. Let's dive right in. 1. Handmade candle business. Home decor is booming, and scented candles are always in demand. If you love creativity, you can easily make candles at home, decorate them beautifully, and sell online on Etsy, Instagram, or even local gift shops. This small hobby can quickly turn into a full-time profitable business. 2. Digital products on Etsy. You don't need inventory or shipping, just your creativity. Create and sell digital planners, resumes, printable art, or budget templates. Once you upload your design, you can earn passive income as it sells again and again. 3. Online coaching or consulting. If you have expertise, whether it's in fitness, parenting, marketing, or education, offer coaching sessions online. Women around the world are earning thousands by helping others reach their goals through Zoom or Google Meet sessions. 4. Homemade organic skincare. Natural and chemical-free beauty products are trending more than ever. You can start with simple items like lip balms, scrubs, or soaps using organic ingredients. Package them attractively, share tutorials on Instagram, and you'll attract customers who love natural beauty. 5. YouTube channel or podcast. If you enjoy speaking, storytelling, or sharing ideas, this is perfect for you. You can start a YouTube channel around topics like lifestyle, beauty, motivation, or business tips for women. All you need is your phone, good lighting, and consistency. And yes, it can become a full-time income stream. 6. Freelancing services. If you can write, design, edit videos, or manage social media, freelancing is one of the fastest ways to earn from home. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you with global clients. You're your own boss. Choose your projects and set your rates. 7. Home baking or dessert business. Who doesn't love desserts? If you enjoy baking, this is a great home-based business. Start with cakes, cupcakes, cookies, or brownies. Offer custom designs for birthdays or events. Promote on social media, and word of mouth will do the rest. 8. Boutique or online clothing store. Fashion never goes out of style. Start an online clothing boutique. You can sell unique dresses, modest wear, or even thrifted items. Use Instagram or Shopify to build your store and showcase your style to the world. 9. Social media management. Every small business today needs help managing their Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. If you understand trends, hashtags, and content creation, you can offer your services as a social media manager. It's a high-demand, high-earning online business, especially for creative women. 10. Home decor or craft business. If you love creating beautiful things like wall art, handmade pots, or macrame, turn your creativity into income. Sell your crafts on Etsy, Pinterest, or at local exhibitions. People love buying handmade and personalized decor items. And that's it. 10 easy, profitable businesses women can start from home in 2026. Remember, you don't need a big investment, just passion, patience, and persistence. Start small, believe in your skills, and keep growing step by step.
if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe Heinz, and tell me in the comments which business you'd love to start this year. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.